Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Do you want a long, healthy and beautiful nails but they keep breaking? Then start with these three simple habits. You don't need expensive nail products, you just need to take care of your nails every day. Habit number one is don't use your nails as tool. The first and most important habit is never use your nails to open things. Don't use your nails to open cans, open packages and anything. Your nails are not tool girls. When you use them like a tools, they can become weak and crack or break. Instead, you use your thumb skin or your fingers or use the proper tool to open things. This small habit can make a big difference because growing your nails is not only about making them grow, it's also about stopping them from breaking. Habit number 2, file your nails daily. The second, my favorite habit is to file your nails daily. If you notice a rough and sharp edges, don't pull or bite it. Gently file it down. Cause it's my favorite habit. You must do. You can file your nails every day if needed, but don't overfile them. Just smooth the rough edges. Okay, when your nails have a rough and cracked edges, they can easily catch on clothes or other things and then break. Habit number 3, moisturize your nails every day. And my most effective habit is moisturize your nails and cuticles. Dry nails and cuticles can become rough, and every day, especially before going to bed, apply a little hand cream, cuticle oil, or a simple moisturizer, and anything, whatever you have. Apply on your nails, massage it gently into your nails and cuticles for a few seconds. You don't need a lot of expensive product, you just need to do and change your habits and get the best habits. These are my favorite habits. So if you want a longer, healthier nails, remember these three habits. Number one, never use your nail as a tool. Number two, file your edges daily. Number three, moisturize your nails and cuticle every day. These habits will not magically make your nails grow overnight, but they can help reduce breakage. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye guys.